On this problem, we're trying to find approximately how many miles per hour was the speed reduced. Well, the speed was reduced. They started out 100 minus 47, and that is what? My units are kilometers per hour. So that would be 53 kilometers per hour. But we want this to be miles per hour. I need miles per hour. I've got hour in the denominator, which is good, but I need to multiply this 53 kilometers per hour by a factor where the kilometer will cancel out. And it tells me that 1 kilometer is 0.625 miles. So kilometers cancel. And you see that keyword approximately. Approximately means you can mess with your math. So I don't want to multiply by 0.625 unless I absolutely have to. I've got my right units, meters per hour, but I'm going to call that 5350, and let's take that down to 0.6. Okay, 0.625 to 0.6, and that gives me 30 miles per hour. But 30, is it going to be A or B? Is it going to be 29, or is it going to be 33, or my closest one? So let's look at that. We changed this. We changed the 53 to be a 50. So my answer is going to be larger than that. Does that make sense? Because I went down. So my answer is going to be 33, and that's going to be B.